I bet you're going to yawn by the end of this video. We all do it. Even animals do. But why is yawning so ridiculously contagious? Scientists found that your brain has special cells called mirror neurons. They are basically the empathy wires in your head. When you see someone yawn, these neurons copy that exact action automatically, making you mirror them without even realizing it. But biologically, yawning also pumps air into your nasal cavities, acting like a radiator to cool down your brain when you're tired. So, did I catch you yawning? Be honest. Drop a comment below and subscribe for your daily dose of science.